what's up guys, welcome back to another video with me, Coach Ritika, and as the title of the video suggests, this video is going to be all about the CrossFit Opens. This is the open season, and if you hear your CrossFitter friends talk about the Opens, you don't have to go all blank, because in this video you will know what CrossFit Open is and why all the CrossFitters are mad about it. But before that, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe wala button daba do, so that I get motivated to keep creating content like this. So let's dive straight into the topic. What is a CrossFit Open? So you can consider CrossFit Open as the entrance exam or the qualifier to go to the CrossFit Games. If you have never heard about CrossFit Games, you can Google about it. It is basically like Olympics for the CrossFitters, and out of 500,000 people, only 20 men and 20 women get to go to the games. And out of those 20 men and women, only 1 man and 1 woman win. And they are basically, titled the fittest men and women on earth. But the CrossFit Open is not only done by professional athletes, but it is actually done by CrossFitters all around the world, and here is why. CrossFit Open is basically a test which the CrossFitters attempt to test their fitness level. It is usually, comprised of 5 workouts spread over 5 weeks. The CrossFitters all around the world attempt it to test where they stand and, to see how much they have improved. Usually the workout gets released on Friday, and you have until Monday to finish the workout and upload your scores. Also, you can't just do the workout and upload your scores. You have to do it in an affiliate where there will be a certified judge who is going to judge you while you perform the workout, and then you can upload your scores and see, basically where you stand. Suppose you are from India, you can do the workouts in an affiliate, in a CrossFit affiliate. A CrossFit judge will judge you. You can upload the scores and you can actually see in India where you stand. So it is something which CrossFitters look forward to, and they train whole year round to participate in the Opens. However, this year the CrossFit Open is happening only for 3 weeks. That means there is going to be only 3 workouts, and the first workout already got released on March 12th. Now comes the most important question: who can register for the Opens? And the answer is everybody. It doesn't really matter for how long you have been doing CrossFit, and even if you haven't been doing CrossFit at all, you can still go ahead and register for the CrossFit Opens. When the workout gets released, if you are for some reason unable to attempt the RX version, RX is basically the prescribed version, then you can always go ahead and do the scaled version or the easier version of the workout, and you can still upload your scores. And how do you register for the Opens? It's pretty simple. Go to games.crossfit.com and then go to the Opens, and then you can sign up for the Opens, and it is that simple. And also you have to pay the registration fee of $20. So if you're someone who loves CrossFit, you have been doing CrossFit but you have never attempted the Opens, then you definitely should just go ahead, register for the Opens and just do it. Even if you can't attempt the RX version, that's completely okay. Go for the scale version. But you will at least know where you stand and how much you need to improve to set your goals. And trust me, once you do the Opens, you're gonna definitely set new goals, and that's how you get better. You keep challenging yourself, you see what others do, you know where you want to go, and you work towards it. And also you will understand what a CrossFit community is, because during the Opens, the environment in a CrossFit box or a gym is like crazy. You will see people cheering for each other, pushing each other, and to be the best version of yourself. So yeah, definitely go and register for the Opens. And this is the end of the video. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you have any questions regarding the CrossFit Opens or anything actually, just drop in a comment below and I'm definitely going to get back to you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe karo. Do me a favor. It just motivates me to keep creating content and keep coming up with videos every Sunday. So yeah, see you next Sunday.